Let's dive into it. Number 1. Most parents believe this without question: the moment kids eat sugar, they explode with energy. The so-called sugar high. But science tells a very different story. Researchers put this myth to the test. Some children were given real sugar. Others were given fake sugar. Neither the kids nor the parents knew who had what. And when scientists observed the results, something surprising happened: nothing. The kids who ate sugar weren't any more hyper than the kids who didn't. But the parents? That's where things changed. When parents thought their child had sugar, they suddenly started noticing every movement. A quick jump became too much energy. A burst of laughter became a sugar rush. Not because the kids changed, but because expectations did. This idea goes all the way back to the 1970s, when a doctor suggested food additives caused hyperactivity. The theory spread fast, and it stuck. But a child bouncing off the walls at a birthday party isn't reacting to cake. They're reacting to excitement, friends, games, noise, maybe even a lack of sleep. Take away the sugar, and the behavior stays the same. The truth is simple: it's not the sugar, it's the moment. Number 2. Your brain isn't slacking off. Not for a second. You've probably heard the myth that humans only use 10% of their brains. It sounds mysterious, limitless, almost magical. Hollywood loved it. Movies where a single pill unlocks hidden genius. Suddenly people are bending reality, solving impossible equations, becoming superhuman. But the truth is darker, and far more impressive. Your brain is already running at full throttle. Scientists can actually watch it work, using advanced scanners that reveal activity lighting up across the entire brain, every moment of your life. There are no silent zones, no sleeping sections. Even when you are asleep, your brain never rests. It controls your breathing, keeps your heart beating, and quietly replays memories you wish it wouldn't. Here's the part most people don't realize. Your brain makes up just 2% of your body weight, yet it consumes nearly 20% of your energy. A tiny organ, burning power non-stop. If 90% of it were truly useless, evolution would have erased it long ago. Nature doesn't keep dead weight. And when even a small part of the brain is damaged, everything can change. The 10% myth likely began in the 1800s, when a researcher said humans weren't reaching their full potential. Not that most of the brain was unused. The truth is simple. Your brain isn't waiting to be unlocked. It's already doing everything it can, every second you're alive. Number 3. You've probably heard the warning: a penny dropped from the Empire State Building could kill someone. It sounds terrifying, but it isn't true. When a penny falls from a great height, gravity pulls it down faster and faster, until the air pushes back. Earth's atmosphere isn't empty space. Air resistance fights the fall, forcing the penny to wobble, tumble, and lose its edge. After about 50 feet, it reaches terminal velocity, just 25 miles per hour. That's slower than a casual bike ride. At that speed, a falling penny wouldn't crack a skull. It would feel like a sharp flick, annoying, maybe painful, but far from deadly. In a vacuum, like space, that same penny could exceed 200 miles per hour. But here on Earth, air saves the day. Ironically, you're far more likely to be seriously injured by something much more ordinary, like a falling ballpoint pen. Its sleek shape cuts through the air like a tiny arrow, making it far more dangerous than a harmless penny from heaven. That's all for today. I'll be making similar videos in the future. Subscribe to see them.